Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to fix lag in Gameloop. So guys, how to fix lag in Gameloop. So if you don't know Gameloop, I've made a separate video about Gameloop and what it is. So right now, to fix the lag in Gameloop, first thing you need to do is open up your Gameloop. Then once you're here, go to the three horizontal lines on the top right and click on it. And once click on it, go down to settings. And once you're here at settings, to fix your lag in Gameloop when you're playing in games, go to engine, and once you're here at engine, fix your anti-analysis, make it off if you're lagging, and fix your resolution too. So resolution helps you lower the lag a bit. So for example, my resolution right now is 1020. So to lower my lag a little bit, I'm gonna make it 1316 times 78. So save it, and there you go. It will decrease my lag in game. And right here, graphics quality. So let's do smooth. So it can be a little bit smooth. Then after that, that's all you need to do. Yeah, that's it. If you want, you can also decrease your screen DPI, but let's leave it to 20. And right here, if you're using DirectX, just click on DirectX and then save. And there you go. That will surely decrease your ping in Gameloop. So I hope you guys like your video, and I hope you guys like it. And a little bit of a tip, um, if you want, and a little bit of tip, if you want me to teach you how to fully decrease a ping on your, or decrease your lag in Gameloop, just type in the comment section down below. Then if there's a lot of comments on how to decrease the lag in your game loop, I'll make a separate video, but there I'll do it in the PC. So it will be a little bit technical. I'll use command prompts and everything, but you just need to copy it and then paste. I'll just leave the description if ever. All right. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video, and I hope you guys love it. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.